Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you again for watching. All right guys, so this week I went to CVS and Walgreens. I grabbed some of the best deals that I found at the both of them. So let's get straight into the video. Now, before we head over to Walgreens, I will first make a stop at CVS. I'll discuss all the deals there first. Now, this week was a little slower due to the holiday, so there wasn't much, but I was able to find some pretty good deals in one of them, which was unbelievable. I think you guys will really enjoy it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that deal. All right guys, so the first deal that I wanted to discuss at CVS this week is on Revlon's Cosmetics. Now when you spend $6 on Revlon's Cosmetics, you will get back a $6 extra buck. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab one of the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tints. Now these are priced at $9.99 at my store. You want to use one of the coupons from our 5 Smart Source inserts. It's the $3 off of one Revlon Cosmetics. You're going to pay $6.99, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck, making your final cost out of pocket only $2.99. So make sure that you guys grab that. All right guys, so the next deal at CVS that I wanted to discuss is on Rimmel Cosmetics. Now when you spend $8, you will get back a $3 extra buck. Now this week I did kind of mess up. My red box at my store was down, so I didn't get to get any of my CRTs. I could have sent one to card, but I chose not to. I just went with it. So I will be doing another trip. But back to business. We all will be receiving a mystery coupon from the red box for Rimmel, so make sure that you guys look out for that and combine that with this deal. All right, so first thing that you want to do is grab one of these. This is the Brow This Way Sculpting Kit. Now these are priced at $4.99 at my store. You want to grab also one of the Brows This Way. These are priced at $4.99 as well at my store. This is actually called Brow This Way Lightweight Gel. All right, so your total will come out to $9.98. You're going to use 2 of the Rimmel Eye coupons from coupons.com. If you don't know what coupons.com is, it's actually an app. I'll have all the information down in the description box. These are free printable coupons. Okay, so you're going to use 2 of those along with this deal. If you, like I said, have the CRT, make sure you combine it with this deal. Without the CRT, the amount you'll pay out of pocket is $5.98, but you will get back a $3 extra buck, making your total cost $2.98 for both, or $1.49 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right guys, so the next deal I was unable to do because my coupons have not came in yet. I'm still waiting, but currently at CVS they do have the Garnier Whole Blends on sale. This week they're 2 for $8. Now when you buy 2, you will earn a $1 extra buck. That's not much, but just hear me out. So you're gonna buy 2 of them. You're gonna buy 2. You're gonna use a $4 off of 2 coupon from our 512 Retail Me Not insert. You're gonna pay $4 out of pocket, but you'll receive $1 extra bucks, making the total cost for both $3 or $1.50 each. Now that's not the best deal that they usually have on the whole blends, but I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, so the next deal that I'm going to discuss with you guys is on Select Chic Razors. Now, again, the coupon that you can get for this deal, if you have none from the inserts or you haven't received your inserts yet, you can actually print for free at coupons.com. So again, the information for the coupons.com app is down below in the description box. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab one of these. These are priced at $9.99 at my store. But when you buy one, you will get a $4 extra buck. Now the limit for this deal is 1. Okay, so again, you can use a coupon from coupons.com or from our 512 Smart Source inserts. Now you're going to pay $5.99, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks, making the final cost for this razor $1.99. That is an unbeatable deal right there. All right, guys, so one of the best deals at CVS this week is on this 3-pack. These are actually on sale this week at CVS. These are priced at $4.49. Now, when you buy 2 of them, you will receive $5 in extra bucks. Now, the limit for doing this deal is only once, so you can only do this once to receive the $5 extra buck. Now, you want to buy 2 of them, priced at $4.49 a piece, making your total out of pocket, your total $8.98. Now, we do have a coupon on the CVS app. Make sure that you clip the coupon. I'll put it right here so you can see it. I'm taking $2 off. Now, that'll bring your balance down to $6.98, but you're going to receive $5 back in extra bucks, making your total out-of-pocket price for both of these $1.98 or only $1 for a 3-pack. You can't beat that deal anywhere else. All right, guys, so the next deal is on Extra and Eclipse Gum. Now, what you want to do is you want to purchase this. It's 99 cents at my store, but you'll get back 99 cents in extra bucks. So I think that's a pretty good deal. It's absolutely free. All right, guys, so now we're heading over to Walgreens. Now, the next deal I was unable to do because somehow, some way I lost my coupons, but let's get to it. So the next deal is on Colgate Total. The toothpaste is actually priced at $2.99 at my store. What you want to do is you want to grab 2. It'll bring your balance up to $5.98. We do have coupons in our 5/5 Smart Source inserts. You want to use 2 of those. Okay, your balance will drop down to $3.98, but you're going to get back 4,000 points. So making these toothpaste completely free. Now at Walgreens, they do not give back money, or you know, the most that you'll get back is the points. So that's what, a 2 cents overage. So that'll work. I think that's a good deal right there. All right, guys, the next deal at Walgreens is on the Starbucks K-Cups. Now, these are priced at $5.99 this week. Now, we do have coupons in our 428 Smart Source inserts, taking off $2. Now, once you use the coupon, your balance will drop down to $3.99. That's quite a great deal. Now, make sure that you guys grab the 10-pack and make sure you're paying attention to the price. Again, they're $5.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, guys, so the next deal is on the Purex detergent or the Purex crystals. Now, these are priced at $1.99 this week. Now, on the app, there is a 50-cent off coupon. Make sure that you guys clip that. If you don't see it on your app, we do have coupons in our 5/5 Retail Me Not inserts, taking off 50 cents, making this only $1.50. Now, again, it's for these or the detergent. So either way, I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, guys, so I'm not sure if anyone likes pistachios like I do, but these are priced at $2.99 this week. So I did end up grabbing one. I thought that was a pretty good deal for this large pack. This is a 16 ounce, so they do have smaller packs if you guys wanted to grab them. All right, guys, so the next deal at Walgreens is on the vanity napkins. Now, these are priced at $2.49 at my store. So what you want to do is you want to grab 2 of them because the deal is you buy one, you get one free. Also, there is a $1 off coupon online, taking off that $1, making these both $1.49 total. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, guys, so that concludes my video for the day. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the description box. Again, thank you for tuning in. I'll make sure to try to put out more good deals for you guys, and I hope to see you guys again soon.